to meet you. It's absolutely I'm a big musical theatre fan myself.
Oh, great.
I've only been with the Millennium Centre for about 4 months now, and it's an amazing place to be.
It is, it's beautiful.
And it's so nice to get all these world-class productions coming down. And
one of the chairs I named after my gran.
Yes, I know. I wanted to ask you about that. That's amazing.
Yeah, she was a real influence on me, and really instilled in me a love of music. And we used to disappear out of the room together and dress up and come on and do acts for the rest of the family. She was amazing lady.
How's Mack and Mabel going?
I love it. Have you seen it yet?
It was fantastic.
Oh, good.
I saw it last night.
I love it. I think it's everything in a musical that I want and that I would hope an audience would want.
Yeah.
It's got the sweep and the grandeur and the spectacle and these amazing numbers but at its heart it's got a really brilliant story. And it goes from being really funny to very poignant to wind you up to ultimately make you think. It's what I want in a show.
Exactly. It's got so much substance to it, and I think that's what really makes it stand out, you know, from other musicals.
It's not frothy.
Exactly.
It is where it needs to be.
Yeah.
we like a bit of froth. I think Rebecca is a real find.
Yeah. How is it working alongside her?
It's wonderful. It's what I wanted it to be.
Yeah.
It's what I hoped it would be. There was just something that clicked for me and her, and I said, if it works when we meet in person, then I just hope she'll accept the role. And it just did. And I think it did because she didn't think she was going to get it.
Really?
No, she had no. She thought it was just another audition one goes to and there wasn't a hope. So she didn't have that sort of terrible nerves.
Yeah.
And she was just herself. Yeah. And herself is funny and skillful and a beautiful voice.
Yeah, it's incredible.
And we're really lucky.
Well, that's the thing. I mean, it's not like she's just standing there and giving us, ballad after ballad. She's doing so much, and
the physical comedy. To be able to do all that.
How has it been, sort of working with Spy Monkey and?
They're hilarious.
Yeah.
It makes you appreciate, first of all, how difficult physical comedy is.
Yeah.
And it's a science.
Yeah.
You have to have an aptitude for it.
Yeah.
But it is about what Mack did, which was count.
Yeah.
It's count of one, you turn, count of two, you pick up the pie, count of three, you do that. That is what, and it is that meticulous. But what they've done is so cleverly integrated it with unbelievably inventive and brilliant choreography.
Yeah.
That audiences like, what?
That's
what?
The thing,
and it's funny and it's acrobatic and it's brilliant.
It completely is. I think it's so impressive because of how intricate it is and just the amount of detail and
that's down to the company not being prepared to just get away with it. They every night nail it. There is a discipline and a joy for them to perform it absolutely perfectly.
Yeah, so can you tell us a bit about coming back to Cardiff and
how my God. I've had so many brilliant times in Cardiff.
Yeah.
There's no place that is more welcoming, funniest people.
Yeah, I know.
The funniest people. And it'll be, it's sad it's only for a week that we're doing it, but that's all we could get the theatre for.
Yeah.
But it'll be a joy, and the family will be coming down from Mount to come and see us all, and it'll be home from home. It's a nice way for us to end the tour.
Yeah, will you get a bit of a chance to catch up with them while you're there? Yeah,
oh for sure.
Make some time.
Yeah.
Oh, excellent. And so, can you tell us a bit about your character, Mack?
Mack is one of the pioneers of the movie in every sense of the movie industry.
Yeah.
So he moved his in 1911 moved his fledgling movie company from New York out to California, which was a desert, and they built Hollywood. And this was a brand new art form, which became, as we know, the most important art form of the 20th century. And he was there creating it. So he's a pioneer, he's a fighter, he's a bully, he's driven, he's a visionary, and so he's difficult. Yeah,
he is.
But I'd like to think lovable.
You can tell he's got a big heart.
He has got a big
deep
heart.
down.
He has.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it seems like a really exciting character to play, and completely do it justice.
Bless
So
you. Oh, thank you.
anyway, it was lovely to meet you.
You too, kid. Yeah.
I'll hopefully
Cheers,
see
lovely.
you back
Up Cardiff, love.
Yeah. Oh, do you know what?